Hi, Greg. Big love shout out, Greg. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for coming. Hi, Merry Christmas, my friend. Merry Christmas to you, my friend. I cannot visit last night your LS. I'm super duper so tired. Maybe later. What time is that? Ah, your LS is coming. Thank you, my friend. Village. Village, my friend. Thank you for coming. Salamat. I know you